First snacks or this one is first?
Yeah, that one. Kimpira.
Kimpira.
Let's go Kimpira
Okay.
first.
Let's start with.
Okay.
Okay, I'm
This
gonna
one is
Yeah.
Kimpira gobo,
Which is?
the
It looks like.
burdock and the carrot.
How is it?
Very good.
The scale 1 to 5. How much do you give us?
4.5.
Oh, good.
This is good. This is it's a snack.
Uh-huh.
You know, without being refined sugar, that'll knock you down.
Right.
So
Very good.
this is good. I like
Okay,
this.
let's go next
This is
one.
hijiki. Hijiki. This is a seaweed.
Oh, okay. Good.
How is it?
Interesting. Good. Good.
What's the texture like?
Soft with a little bit of chewy. That's good. No, that's nice. It's not sweet, and again, it would be it's a nice snack, you know, without having a huge amount of calories and sugar. So
How much can you give us? 1 to 3, 1 to 5.
this one, well, you know, it's coming after this guy. This guy was extremely good. So I gotta go with 3.5 or
3.5.
yeah.
Okay, great. All right, next one.
Okay, next one is the corn puff. This is like a traditional snacks.
Ah.
Corn puff. It's cheese taste.
How is it?
That's a cheese stick. Yes. That is, yes. Very good.
Oh,
Very,
okay.
very good.
From 1 to 5 scale.
On the cheese stick alone scale, I would give it a 5. That is the best cheese
Oh,
stick
good.
I have ever had. But
Alright.
That's
So,
a great compliment.
no, well as cheese sticks go,
Nice.
yes.
Alright. Okay, next one is kimchi flavor squid. This is a little spicy.
Oh yeah. Good.
Good?
It's good.
Oh,
Good.
wow. Nice. Not too spicy?
No, no, not for me. No.
How is the texture?
Interesting taste. Yeah. Tough,
Oh.
chewy. Yeah, it takes a bit to work through, but yeah, it lasts a while. Oh no, this is good. I like this.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 5.
Gotta go with 4 at least.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
You have
Interesting
more?
taste. I mean, there isn't. Wait a minute, slow down. I have to finish this fellow.
Alright, okay.
You have more?
Next one is the kaki no tane. This is the spicy snacks too.
Oh,
This is crunchy. With the peanuts too.
Can you show me?
oh. Oops, I should have showed a few more, but yeah. Add a few
Okay.
more in there.
Alright.
Okay, let's see it. How is it?
Good. It's good. Maybe it's after the very spicy squid there that I've lost a bit of the taste. I can still taste the squid, but yes, no, they're good. Nice, very nice texture. I can see. Yep, great little snack.
Oh, yeah?
Yep.
What's the score?
I got to give you high 3s, maybe a 4, but like I said, it was coming after the spicy squid, so I can still taste that.
Okay,
Spicy-
last one is the sweet things.
Oh, okay.
Lumando. This is like a puffy, like a cookie, like.
Huh. Very nice.
Oh,
Very
yeah.
nice.
How does it taste like?
It's sweet without, but it's kind of subtle. It doesn't have that really stinging sweetness. So, very, very nice. Yes.
What's What's the score?
Oh yeah. We're gonna go mid fours.
All right, good.
Excellent. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
All right.